Hey guys, a little secondary video here on this fine Saturday. So we just got back from the pizza parlor. Our daughter wanted to go eat at the pizza parlor because they got games and like a ball pit and all that stuff the kids like. And I was wondering something as I was getting out of the car, kind of walking around the place. Are they building homes now without any mirrors in them? Are they building homes now where nobody looks? I mean, I'm not saying that I'm a perfect looking person, but we try to pull ourselves together between myself and my wife to not look like we just rolled out of bed and didn't brush our hair, didn't brush our teeth, got out of our pajamas. But they must be designing new these homes and apartments with, and I should say trailers really, with without mirrors in them, because these people are just slimy looking. Why would you go out and subject people to that? You smell like cigarette smoke. You're puffing on a cigarette every 2 seconds. Your big fucking fat belly is hanging over your spandex pants that you should not be wearing, by the way, women. If you're if you got more chins than a Chinese phone book, you shouldn't be wearing spandex to show off your cottage cheese fat ugly ass. It's disgusting and nobody wants to see it. You don't look good. You don't even look good if you're heading over to Walmart. You're still downgrading Walmart, which is saying a lot. But not being a dick here, but some of these people are just ridiculous. Pull yourself together. Do you have any self-respect for yourself, or do you just want to continue going on with your life like that? Most of these people are probably spending the last $20 or $40 they have on a pizza to feed their fat face, to make their life even worse, using their EBT card or whatever it is. And there are people that need that type of stuff. I get it, but it's just disgusting. You go out and it's like nobody even wears real clothes anymore. It's like they threw on whatever was next to their bed that they threw off, all wrinkled up on the side of their bed the night before. They don't brush their hair. They throw a ball cap on. I didn't wear a cap out. I mean, I always brush my hair. I just like to wear a cap for these videos because it makes me look a little more pro, But yeah, these people, they got a serious issue with self-respect, where they don't respect themselves enough to make themselves presentable to be seen by other members of society. It's unreal. And even let's say you got a weight problem, you got a little bit of a smoking problem, you're addicted or whatever. Don't subject us to that nonsense. You got these people at the pizza parlor, basically leaving their kids unattended in there. I could see it because they want to go out and shoot the shit. Maybe they're on their phone or they're playing a game on their phone and they're smoking a cigarette outside, not even watching their kids, roaming around, doing whatever. Using the pizza parlor as their babysitter. And it's just nonsense. Think about what you're doing. Look yourself in the mirror. If you don't like what you see, I'm sorry, do something about it. Go to the gym, quit smoking, maybe quit feeding your fat face with fatty, greasy shit all the time. It's just nonsense. So anyway, I just wanted to vent on that a little bit because I was telling my wife, I'm like, these people, do they not have any self-respect for themselves at all? Any? Do they have any, I can't even come up with the word. It just drives me crazy. Self-respect is the phrase I have to use. Self-respect, any ambition in life to make yourself better, because I don't know about you, but ever since I was younger, I wanted to have ambition so I could live a comfortable life where I felt good about myself, as well as how I treat other people and how they perceive me and how I perceive them, you know? So anyway, I just want to get on here for a few minutes and say that and get that off my chest. It's good to vent. This is kind of like a therapy session for me when I can get on here and do that. I know that's not HVAC related, but you know, I've always said this channel's more about just HVAC. It's about telling you how my feelings and thoughts about things, and we'll leave it at that. So have a good rest of the weekend, everybody. I'll probably have something for you tomorrow, and I'll see you then.